Hi. So we are going to talk about Article 3, Clause 8 of EU's AI Act, which defines operator. It's a pretty short and very powerful definition. So operator is just one word to include all these 6 entities. We have already defined these 6 entities in earlier videos, except product manufacturer, which is not defined in the EU's AI Act. Product manufacturer is included here in operators because you see, otherwise, for example, if a company that makes cars, a company that makes toys can say, see, I'm not an AI company, so I'm not any of this. And even if they include AI into their systems, they might claim an non-jurisdiction over EU's AI Act. So they might claim that we are outside the purview of EU's AI Act. So operator specifically writes here, includes here product manufacturer. Those include AI into their products. Now we have already talked about all these in detail, and this visual illustration is by Prapti Bhatt, who is an MS student at the Department of ECS, the University of Tennessee, USA. So operator basically means all these things. Provider, we have seen what a provider is. Places on the market, put into service, AI system or GPAI, right? It does not matter where are they, and so on. So we have talked about all these things earlier, and I think it doesn't warrant more than this. So with this, we conclude the definition of operators. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so, and like and share the video. Thank you so much.